Assalamu alaikum. This is how a 5-month-old Australorp Heritage bird looks like. All three of them are 5 months old. 2 are females and 1 is a male. They are of very good quality. As you can see, the male have a medium-sized comb, black feet, hazel brown eyes, blackish in color. That looks like black because they are very dark hazel brown. Good quality of saddles. Females have a very good quality of tail. Their size is bigger as compared to the commercial female that is available in Pakistan. So this is it for now. You can get an idea of the characteristics of a Australorp Heritage bird at the age of 5 months. I will be updating inshallah soon that how they look like when they are fully grown. So keep in touch. Goodbye.